Dobby is a 4-year-old crossbreed. She's quite a sweet dog. She's very smart. She can be very stubborn as well, though.
Dobby.
She first started chasing toads
No.
probably about 8 or 9 months of age. That's when we first caught her with one.
Dobby. Leave it. Dobby.
Dobby? Dobby?
She tends to get a little high on them. Her pupils will dilate. She'll act a little bit trippy. She won't want to come when she's called or anything like that. She certainly seems to understand that there are certain side effects of cane toad poisoning, is happy to deal with the consequences of those.
This phenomenon of animals deliberately getting intoxicated by cane toads is just fascinating. It just seems unbelievable that an animal would go back for a second try.
Dobby?
But nevertheless, we do have many documented cases of patients who deliberately, on a regular basis, will seek out a toad, and they seem to be able to lick the toad in such a way they only get a very small dose.
It doesn't affect her on a day-to-day basis, so I don't think it's certainly fitting a true definition of addiction. She certainly enjoys it.
Dobby? 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 You okay? You right?
I guess if you're going to anthropomorphise it, it's kind of like an LSD trip.
Dobby? Dobby? Dobby?
Presumably it must be quite pleasant for the dog. And they do it again and again and again. Again and again and again. And who knows what's going on in those dogs' minds.
Dobby.